we're back. This is part 2. This is Syrup, or you can call Casey, like the letter K and the letter C only.
You idiot!
Like Casey is that girl. I am that girl, guys. I am Pancake, or you can call me Ate. You can call me RC. You can call me RC, guys. You can call me RC. You can call me RC. You can call me RC. You can call me Casey, I open door, but I go to level 10. Where are we here?
Oh! A snake! No!
What is this?
You know the name of this one.
Let's just find the gifts. Right. So, are you serious?
Yes.
No, Casey, what are you doing? You anger the monsters. Help me, the happy monsters. Dozer, help! Casey, I'm that hard.
Really?
I don't have gun. No, but really, I don't have gun.
I really we're the back rail, but
Casey, the slide is working.
that's a booty.
You call the blue chips?
Yes, booty.
I do not look like the booty, Casey. You do. No, you do, Casey. You do.
You get
Guys, if yes, I am schizophrenic. No, I'm not crazy. I'm not schizophrenic.
I don't know kung ano yung natin ba?
Casey has,
Di ba alam mo wala naman? Iya, pinag-iwan siya.
what is dementia?
Wala.
Oh, Casey Masters. Monster. Yes. I hate and boom. You forgot what dementia is when you have dementia. How are you even having dementia if you don't remember?
Alam? Yung pinag-iwan. Help nila.
Casey, I already finished all. I finished all the gifts, Casey. Casey, I finished all. I don't know. You know what? Right wall method. Right wall method. Wall method. Okay. Right wall method. Right wall method. Uy, gamble machine. Right wall method. Right wall method. Right wall. Right wall method. What is that? Oh, so where are we going? I'll exit. Let's go now. What is this? Easy. Success for my body, success for my friends. Success is the only thing I understand. Syrup, I'm crying. I'm level 11. You know that level ko.
Wag mo muna. Gusto mo na ako. You can!
I do nothing. I do nothing. I say you. Maybe I put this on YouTube. But I will delete some parts because Casey, I hate you.
We're gonna stick with No! We're gonna stick with that!
What? Oh, okay. Wow.
Mr.
Hi, Mr. Champer.
I'm broken.
No, Mr. Champer, I love you. Ah, ba, 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 ba.
36 minutes.
Okay,
Oh my god.
fish. 30 psi.
Oh god!
What? What happened?
What are
Mr. Champer?
Okay, what is it?
Mr. Champer's going to die. I love you, Mr. Champer. Where? There is? There is. There is. What? Who's that? Champer, I love you. Casey, there is another.
Wait, the last one! Not ready for inside. So some of you bullshit girls I'm not sure.
Why? Where's the bulb?
You don't know what
Where's the bulb, Casey?
Wait, let's see five.
Where's the other bulb? Where? Where's the other bulb? I can't find the other bulb. I only find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What happened? Casey, we are not the same level. Casey, I do not see. Where is the other bulb? Help me, Casey!
Yours contract. You said something to me. I will thank you.
Casey, where's the other bulb? Where? I only found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, bakit na yung nasa star?
Kinuha, ata. Wait lang, check ko lang. I hate you. Mama! Thank you. No, girl. Thank you, Kira. Bro! Ito! Nasa pinaka-star! Ito! Nasa pinaka-star!
Hindi ka?
Ito! Bakit? Ito yun! Ikaw na nga nakakita naman. Easy, don't call me with your I'm your auntie.
Tara! Ayun!
Oh, let's go. Open?
Wala nang
Ah, I haven't eaten in ages.
No.
Oh, I smell
What is red?
something tasty.
SpongeBob, Casey.
Huwag ka magbawa na tayo. Promise ko na.
Casey,
Meron dyan.
close. Barricade. Casey, SpongeBob is scary. Oh wait, are we going to cook? Casey? I like cooking.
Oh, gagawa tayo para sa kanya. Ayan.
Casey, I like cooking. Cooking is my... I like cooking, Casey. Mustard! Mango mustard 6-7. Mango mustard 6-7.
Pero kumain na tayo dito tayo.
Casey, there is only one barricade left. What is happening?
That was good. And
I
you got
already
pickles.
done.
Well, I guess I can't eat you now. But you better get out of here before I start thinking about dessert.
Nadala ko na.
I'm already done.
Casey, I closed my eyes. Bakit nagbukas?
Casey, select with Casey. Are we in the stranded island? I really need metal. Oh, we need rock. Casey, there's one tree that has coconut. Casey, there's coconut. I'm already done.
Ayaw na gumawa ng oras.
Casey, may money 6-7 na. Casey? Yung, yung susunod na level ay level dun sa mouthwashing. Andun yun, sa mouthwashing. Yung level na to. Diba? Sa mouthwash. Yung may worm na kutin. Tapos,
Ang lalabili nito.
what? Oh, what is that? Don't even get scared. This is not scary. This remind me of mouthwash, Casey. Like the Captain Curly. What in the delay? This game is so
Ano skill issue na lang yun.
I hate you.
Yung, ano nga, skill issue na lang.
Casey, may money 6-7, 6-7, 6-7. Girl, 6-7 is better.
6-8.
Wait, measure. 68.
Ano na? Di ba tayo?
No, please.
Wala.
Ah.
No.
Casey, but this is part 2 we promised the other people.
No!
We don't even have a subscriber. Aha. Bye-bye, guys. We are playing other game. Bye-bye.